On our previous video, we talked about the way our business model works. Today, we will apply this business model to the IPSE situation using statistical percentages extracted from the current industry ratios. We asked ChatGPT to write a financial projection of IPSE's revenue using standard movies' success and failure ratios with full explanations based on the following factors. IPSE's 283 movies with budgets between 70 and 120 million US dollars, a securitization fee of $6 million US dollars including expenses to list the movie on the NASDAQ, and a fundraising fee of 8% plus a royalty of 12% of the movie revenue. Note there's an upcoming fourth source of revenue from owning an intellectual property securities market sector on the NASDAQ, but at this point we are omitting it because it hasn't been implemented yet, and it generates excessive figures. Now, let's take a look at the final projection of IPSE's revenue we got back from ChatGPT. Revenue from securitization fee alone is approximately 1.7 billion US dollars. Not a bad start, but let's keep going. We can safely assume an average budget of anywhere between 70 and 120 million US dollars, averaging out at 95 million per movie. Let's multiply that by 283 movies for an estimate of 26.89 billion US dollars in total fundraising revenue. Keeping in mind our 8% securities distribution fee, IPSE takes home approximately 2.15 billion US dollars. And it doesn't stop there. To calculate revenue from royalties, we will use the following standard success and failure ratios. Our blockbusters, the top 10% of movies, earn 3 times the budget. Our above average performers, or the following 20%, earn 2 times the budget, followed by average performers earning 1.5% of the budget, and finally flops, or the bottom 20% earning 0.5% of the budget. Based on these projections, our blockbusters will gross 7.98 billion US dollars, above average performers would make 10.83 billion, average performers would make 20.24 billion, and flops would make 2.71 billion, bringing the total movie earnings to 41.76 billion US dollars. At 12% revenue, IPSE takes home just over $5 billion. So let's add it all up. With the securitization fee at 1.7 billion, the fundraising fee at 2.15 billion, and the movie royalties at 5.01 billion, IPSE achieved a total combined revenue of 8.86 billion US dollars. A nice chunk of change if you ask me. We are creating a future where cinema and securities synergize seamlessly. IPSE isn't just about finance. It's a symbol of trust, revolution, and the future of film financing. IPSE, reimagining cinema, redefining investment. Be a part of the future.